Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering and pairing the Beats Pro. Charge them to at least 50% so firmware updates and stable pairing complete. Put them in pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED blinks. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and scan. Once detected, select Beats Pro. If you see a prompt, accept permissions so calls and controls work. Make sure to position the source device within 3 meters for a clean initial link before moving on to customization. Once paired, customize features to fit your listening. Open the Beats app or your device's audio settings to check for firmware updates and access EQ presets. Start with a balanced profile, then boost bass in small 2 to 3 decibel increments if you want more punch. Next, map or confirm on-head controls for play, pause, anch, and volume, and test them using a song and a call. This ensures tactile commands behave predictably, and the sound matches your preference. To finish, optimize fit for isolation and comfort. Adjust the headband and rotate cups until you get a good seal. Play pink noise or a familiar track to confirm even bass. Once done, check battery levels and run a final firmware check. If audio stutters or pairing fails, reset by powering off, holding the power button 10 seconds, then repair. If problems persist, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, clear Bluetooth cache, and update your source OS before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.